Hi guys, I'm Andy from the YouTube channel Andy EFT. Now what is EFT? It's a simple technique that you can use to relieve stress, anxiety, phobias, all sorts of things, and all you do is tap on various points of your body. It's a bit like Chinese acupuncture, but without the needles. Now before you watch this video, it is just a demonstration. It will help you though, but please take responsibility when watching this, and if you've got serious issues or any issues really, seek professional help. Okay, this is just a demonstration. It will help you, but it is just a demonstration, so please go and see a professional if you need to. Okay, all you need to do is use your fingers, and to start with what we call the karate chop point. So what we're going to do, all we're going to do is going to tap on various points of the body, okay, like this. And what I want you to do is to think of something you're anxious about at this particular moment. Maybe it's a fear, something going on in your life, anything like that. Score it on a scale from 0 to 10, with 0 being no problem at all and 10 being really scary. And think of it in your mind. What is that score? Okay. And now we're going to tap on various points of the body while we think about what you're worried about. Okay, just follow what I'm doing and say what I'm saying as well, okay? Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, use your two fingers, tap on your karate chop point. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Okay, now tap just above the eyebrow. Think of what you're feeling anxious about. This anxiety, side of the eye. This anxiety I'm feeling. This anxiety I have under the nose. This anxiety I'm feeling under the mouth. This anxiety I'm feeling right now. Collarbone. Breathe in. This anxiety I am feeling under the arm with the palm of the hand. This anxiety I'm feeling right now. Okay, now think what you were thinking about before on a scale of 0 to 10. Has it changed? Has the score gone down? Or is it the same? Okay, so we can do this again and again. It takes a few seconds, and we can do it again and again until your score goes to 0. Let's do it again. And the more you do it, the technique will be easier and you won't need to copy me so much. Okay. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious about this thing, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. Even though I'm feeling anxious, this feeling of anxiety, this anxious feeling that I have, even though I'm feeling anxious, this anxiety that I have, this anxiety that I would like to get rid of. Now the words vary sometimes, it doesn't matter too much. You're just talking to your subconscious mind really, and hopefully the score's gone down again. What score have you got at the moment? Let's do it again. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully accept myself. Even though I'm feeling anxious, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. This anxiety that I'm feeling, this anxiety that I'm worried about, this anxiety that I'm feeling, this anxiety that I have, and this anxiety that I would like to get rid of. Okay, well, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a bit more relaxed now. What's the score you've got at the moment? Hopefully it's going down and down. The idea is to get it down to maybe 0 or 1. So keep doing the same thing. You don't always have to do the karate chop point. This is more of a starting thing. This anxiety that I'm feeling, this anxiety that I've been worried about, this anxiety that I'm feeling, this anxiety that I would like to get rid of. Okay, so hopefully just repeat over and over again until your anxiety is 0 or 1. And what I like to do once the anxiety goes, or whatever the problem is, I like to reinforce things and do some positivity. So tap again on the karate chop point and just say your name. My name's Andy and I feel confident about the situation. My name's Andy and I'm not worried at all about this situation. My name's Andy and I'm completely happy with this situation. This situation, I'm completely happy with it. I have no worries about this situation. I'm completely happy with this situation. I don't worry about this situation no more. I'm completely happy with this situation. I have no worries at all about this situation. See, simple tapping techniques. You feel better, you feel more confident. I feel more confident just doing this video. Feel more relaxed. So there we go. EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. It's easy. You can do it anywhere you want to. Once you know the technique, you can just tap, you can just change the words, reinforce positivity, get rid of the negativity. Just please though, if your problem's serious, seek a professional. There's probably loads in your area. If not, you can do it on a Zoom call. And for £50 an hour or $100 an hour or whatever it could be, honestly, just pay the money because it really will sort you out. Okay, until next time, let me know in the comments below, and I plan to do many more videos in the future because most of the videos on this channel are pretty old. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And did your score go down? Hopefully it did. If it didn't, try again. I'm sure it'll go down soon. Okay, until next time,